Hi, my name is Yuki Feng, and I am a Senior Product Manager on the Windows team. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for April 2024. Today, we're going to offer tips on how to use the latest features in one of the most popular Windows apps, Notepad. But first, before we get to the tips, let's talk about this month's release. We have made numerous improvements to voice access, and the feature is now available in French, German, and Spanish. Suggested layouts and hover options make it easier than ever to use snap layouts. You can experience faster transfer speeds when using nearby share with another user on the same private or public network. If you use narrator, you can preview voice options before you download them, use keyboard commands to move between images on a screen, and more. This update also addresses issues related to the Settings app, USB audio, and the experience when combining taskbar buttons. And for those of you using Copilot in Windows currently in preview, you can now ask Copilot for help 10 times using a local account. Need more Copilot help after that? Simply sign in using a Microsoft account or Microsoft Entra ID. Now let's talk about Notepad in Windows 11. Notepad has been a staple of Windows for years. With Windows 11, we gave the classic app a fresh look and feel, and added new features to improve your productivity. First, let's talk about tabs. With Notepad in Windows 11, you can create a new tab to start working a new text file. Want to create a new instance of Notepad from a tab? Not a problem. Grab the tab you want to separate and drag it outside of its current Notepad window. Change your mind? Simply grab and drag the tab back into the desired Notepad window. The new Notepad also preserves the content in your text file, even if you didn't save the file, so you can pick up where you left off. You can also choose what happens when you start Notepad. Either open content from your previous session or open a new window. Select the settings icon, expand the section for when Notepad starts, and choose your preferred experience. Made a mistake? Notepad in Windows 11 supports multiple levels of undo, a top request from the community, as well as the ability to redo or repeat an action. To undo, you can use the Windows shortcut Ctrl+Z. To redo or repeat, use Ctrl+Y. Perhaps one of the most talked about changes for Notepad in Windows 11 is the ability to use it in dark mode. By default, Notepad will match your system setting, but under App Theme, you can manually select light or dark mode if you prefer. While we are on the topic of Notepad settings, you can also customize the font you use for text files. Maybe Consoles isn't your favorite. Select the settings icon, select font, and choose the family, style, and size that works best for you. A preview of your choices will appear below. We continue to improve the Notepad experience in Windows 11. We recently began to roll out previews of spell check and Copilot features to Windows Insiders. Stay tuned for more details and join the Windows Insider program to try the latest features first. Are there Windows 11 features you'd like to know more about? Share your feedback through our release notes page, or leave a comment on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.